Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are greatly blessed with health. And today we'll do worksheet number 1 of lesson My Lovely Garden. Let's start. Activity number 1. Choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. Dash came, point number 1. Dash came to see frog. Who came to see frog? Who came to see frog? There are some options. We will use them and you will choose correct answer. And point number 2, frog gave him dash seeds. Which kind of the seeds frog gave to rabbit? We have to choose among these four options. Point number 3, hard work is the key to dash. Eat, school, win, success. And the point number 4, they felt dash and fell asleep. They felt dash and fell asleep. Excited, happy, tired, and seal. Point number 5. Rabbit told a story to his seeds. Which kind of the stories rabbit told to his seeds? Long, sad, short, happy. Dear students, if you have the problem, you may concern with me. Read the lesson again. You may do it very easily. Activity number 2. Answer the questions. Question number 1. What will happen if we do not work hard? What will be the results? If we don't work hard, what will happen? What will be the consequence? What will be the result of that if we don't work hard? Can we get the success without hard work? Can we achieve our goals? Can we get good results? Definitely answer will be in negative. Okay, what? Stop learning? Yes. If we don't work hard, we will stop learning. We will unable to get good results. Fail to achieve our goals. There are so many things that we can get with the hard work, but without hard work it's not possible for us to get the good results. This is a hint and you will write the answer properly. And the activity number 2 has the second part. What is the difference between smart work and hard work? Hard work means high effort and smart work means use of brain. It means low effort, low physical effort. In hard work we need the high physical effort. Let's see the examples. In this example it's very clear that the two persons, one has lowered the burden on his head. It means he is using very high physical effort. And second person who is doing smart work, what is he doing? He is doing smart work by using his brain and non-traditional method. It means he is using the creative method. And the person who is on the right side, he is using the traditional method. It means he is not using his brain. By using our brain we can do smart work, and by using our physical efforts it means that will be the hard work. What will be the answer? Hard work involves use of common method for doing work and high physical effort. As I described earlier that hard work involves common method for doing work and high physical effort, while in smart work involves use of creative ways for doing work and low physical effort. Thank you.